Thanks for checking out Specialty Gear Drives. Today we're taking a look at a Western Gearworks vertical drive. This is a Western Gearworks vertical drive. A rugged legacy gearbox essential for industrial cooling towers and pump stations across the country. These right-angle units operate under relentless vertical thrust load, causing inevitable failure in the bearings and precision spiral bevel gears. When this powerhouse stops, your industrial cooling system is compromised. At Specialty Gear Drives, we disassemble and clean every component of this heavy-duty unit. We carefully analyze the vertical shaft and housing for the alignment issues that compromise performance. We correct housing distortions, replace all thrust bearing assemblies with premium components, and utilize our in-house manufacturing to replicate any damage or obsolete spiral bevel gears. The rebuild is a full restoration, ensuring the gear mesh is precise and the drive is prepared to withstand decades of constant operation. We stand behind our quality with a 24-month warranty and free pickup and delivery nationwide. Call Specialty Gear Drives today.
Specialty Gear Drives. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.
They bring the shine, engineering bold every time. Gear up right, gear up strong, Specialty Gear